This time I'm going to show you how to make a little pot with an open base for storing perhaps mushrooms, strawberries in your fridge, but this time I'm going to use a circle. It's exactly the same procedure as using a square. Fold it wrong side out and fold two edges, leaving a 2.5 centimetre gap on the left. Fold those back on themselves, crease them securely. The wider your folds, the wider your base will be. Alright, turn it round, flip the edges in, tuck one into the other. Okay, and then it's just a case of opening up your base underneath, holding that, popping your hands in and widening the base there. So you can see you've got a little pot there, popping things in. Use it as an open pot if you want, or if you want a bit more security for the sides, you can fold these edges down, and by creasing, tucking those over, you get a bit more of a secure pot.